Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 default printer keeps changing problem. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Bluetooth and Devices, click Printers and Scanners. Turn off Let Windows manage my default printer. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT, click and expand current version, click and expand Windows. Open Legacy Default Printer Mode, change value data to 1, click OK and exit Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.